Dear students, welcome you all for the video classes. In the last class, we have discussed about some of the definitions under that minors and cofactors. After that, we solved some examples which are based on minors and cofactors of a given determinants. In the today's class, we will take one of the same type problem what we discussed in the last video. That problem, after that, we will take one of the important definition, that is adjoint of a square matrix. Today's the first question is write minors and cofactors of the elements of the following determinants. I will write first question. Example, write minors and cofactors of the elements of following determinants. Correct? Under that first one, 2 0 minus 4 3. What is our job? Our job is to find minus, after that cofactors. Write minus and cofactors of the elements of following determinants. Solution. First one, minor of 2, which is equal to m11. What is the minor of this element? Small m11 element, that is exactly 2. Minor of 2 is nothing but you have to eliminate this row and this column. What is the remaining element? It is 3. After that, minor of minus 4, which is nothing but m12, which is nothing but the opposite value is 0. After that, minor of 0, which is nothing but m21, place is a21 place, the minor is m21 is equal to minus 4. Minor of 3, which is equal to m22, which is nothing but a11, a12, a21, a22, which is nothing but 2. This is the minor of the elements. Now cofactor of 2, which is equal to cofactor of 2 is equal to capital A11 is nothing but cofactor can be denoted by aij. For aij, small aij element, therefore cofactor of 2 is nothing but what? A11, which is nothing but plus into 3, which is nothing but 3. What is the place? This place is plus place. Plus minus, place is plus 3. After that, cofactor of 4, sorry, minus 4, which is nothing but a12. What is the place? Minus place. Correct? This place plus minus of 0. Minus of 0, which is equal to 0. Cofactor of 0, which is nothing but a21 place plus minus, or you write it as plus minus. This place is minus of minus 4, which is equal to plus 4. Cofactor of 3 is nothing but a22, which is nothing but plus minus, plus. This value is plus of 2, which is nothing but what? 2, which is nothing but 2. Here you know the position of the elements are nothing but plus minus plus. Then what happens? Here there will be a plus position. This value is plus position. Plus of 2 becomes 2. That is plus 2 is nothing but 2. Plus minus plus. After that, I will take one more thing is of the order is 3 cross 3. Of the order 3 cross 3. I will write 3 cross 3 determinant. The second one. 1 3 0 0 5 1 4 minus 1 2 4 minus 1 2. Then what are the values? Values we have to find out. Correct? Values are nothing but cofactor of elements we have to find out. After that, minus of the elements we have to find out. Solution. Minor of 1, which is nothing but m11. Minor can be written by mij. 1 is nothing but, which is nothing but 5. 5 minus 1 2. What are the values? 5 into 2 minus of minus 1 into 1, which is nothing but 10. Minus of minus plus 1 is equal to 11. Correct? 10 minus of minus plus 1 into 1, that is nothing but 11. 10 plus 1 is 11. After that, minor of 0. Minor of 0 is nothing but m1 and 2. What are the elements? You have to eliminate this row, this column, and this row. What are the elements? 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 0, 2, which is nothing but 3 into 2 minus 1 into 0, which is nothing but the value is 6. After that, minor of 4 is equal to m1 and 3. What are the elements? You write it as 3 5 0 1. 3 5 0 1, which is nothing but 3 into 1 minus 5 into 0, which is nothing but the value is 3. Correct? After that, cofactor of 3, sorry, minor of 3, which is equal to this row we have to eliminate, and this column we have to eliminate. Elements are 0, 4, 1 and 2, which is nothing but 0, 4, 1 and 2, which is nothing but 0 into 2 minus 4 into 1, which is equal to minus 4. After that, minor of 5. Minor of 5. What are the elements? Minor of 5 is nothing but this row we have to eliminate, and this column we have to eliminate. 1 4 0 2. 1 4 0 2. What are the elements? 1 into 2 minus 4 into 0, which is equal to 2. Which is equal to what? 2. After that, minor of minus 1 is equal to value. This row we have to eliminate, this column element we have to eliminate. What happens? 1 0 0 1. 1 0 0 1, which is equal to 1 into 1 minus 0 into 0, which is nothing but what? 1. Which is nothing but 1. After that, minor of 0 is equal to, what are the elements? 0 4 5 minus 1. 0 4 5 minus 1, which is equal to 0 into minus 1 minus 4 into 5, which is nothing but minus 20. After that, minor of 1 is equal to minor of 1. What are the values? This row we have to eliminate, this column we have to eliminate. 1 4 3 minus 1. 1 4 3 minus 1, which is equal to 1 into minus 1 minus 4 into 3, which is equals to minus 1 minus 12, which is equal to minus 30. Minus 12 minus 1, that is minus 30. Cofactor minor of 2 is equal to 1035. 1035, which is equal to 1 into 5 minus 0 into 3, which is nothing but 5. 1 into 5 minus 0 into 3, which is nothing but 5. These are the minors of each and every elements. Minors of each and every elements. Then we move towards cofactor of each and every elements. What is the value of cofactor? Cofactor is nothing but minor with suitable sign is called cofactor. What is cofactor? Cofactor of an element is nothing but minor with suitable sign. I will write solution. See, now cofactor. Cofactor of 1 is equal to A11 is equal to position is plus position. You write eliminate 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, 1 and 2. What are the elements? 5 into 2 minus of minus 1 into 1. It is equal to 5 into 10 minus of minus plus 1 is equal to 11. After that, cofactor of 0 which is equal to A1 and 2, which is the plus minus position. This eliminate, we have to eliminate 3 minus 1 0 2. 3 minus 1 0 2. What are the elements? Minus as it is 3 into 2, correct? 3 into 2 minus of minus 1 into 0. What are the elements? It is nothing but minus 6. 3 into 2 becomes 6. 3 into 2 becomes 6. Minus 3 into 2, that is minus 6. Cofactor of 4 is equal to A1 and 3, which is nothing but what? The position is plus minus plus. Position is plus. Elements are 3 5 0 1. 3 5 0 1, which is nothing but plus into 3 into 1. You write it as simple 3 into 1 minus 5 into 0, which is nothing but what? 3. 3 into 1, 3 minus 5 into 0, that is 3. Cofactor of after that what? Cofactor of 3. I will write cofactor of 3. The minor is suitable. What we have to find out? Our job is to find minors and cofactors. Correct? I will write cofactor of 3. First, I will write cofactor of 3. Cofactor of 3 is equal to, what are the value? Cofactor of 3 is nothing but A21. A21 is equal to position is minus. Why? Because minus plus minus. This we have to eliminate. 0 4 1 and 2. 0 4 1 and 2, which is nothing but minus. 0 into 2 is 0 minus 4, which is equal to plus 4. Directly write, correct? Here, now onwards I will write directly. 0 into 2 is 0 minus 4, that is minus 4. Minus or minus plus 4. Cofactor of 5. It is nothing but A22. 5 is nothing but A22. Cofactor of 5 is nothing but A22. What are the elements? Position is minus plus. This we have to eliminate. 1402. 1402, which is equal to 2 minus 0, which is equal to 2. 1 into 2 is 2. 4 into 0, that is 2. Cofactor of minus 1 is equal to A23, which is equal to plus minus. This value that 1001, which is equal to minus 1, minus 0, which is equal to minus 1. This is nothing but minus 1. After that, cofactor of 0, which is nothing but A31. A31 is equal to position is plus 0 4 5 minus 1. 0 4 5 minus 1, which is equal to 0 minus 20, which is nothing but minus 0 into 1. 0 into minus 1. 0 into minus 1 is 0. 4 into 5 is nothing but 20. Minus 20. After that, cofactor of 1 is equal to A32, which is nothing but position is minus plus minus or plus minus plus minus. What are the elements? Here, this row we have to eliminate, this column we have to eliminate. 1 4 3 minus 1. 1 4 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 12, which is equal to plus 13. Correct? minus 1 minus 12 what? Minus 13. Minus 13 into minus 1, that is plus 13. After that, cofactor of 2, which is nothing but A33. Position is plus. Position is plus 1035. 1035, which is nothing but 1 into 5, that is 5. Minus 0, which is nothing but 5 into 1 is 5. 0, which is nothing but 5. These are the cofactors of each and every element. Dear students, once we are perfect with minus, then you can easily find out the value of cofactor. These minus and cofactors are very, very important while finding the adjoint of a given matrix. Adjoint of a given. If you are perfect with the minus cofactors, then adjoint is very easy. If you are good in the adjoint of matrix capital E, then inverse of a matrix is also very easy. Next, we will take next important question. Next example. I will take next example. Using cofactors of elements of second row, evaluate delta is equal to 5 to 1, 3 0 2, 8 1 3, 8 1 3. What are the values? What we have to find out? Solution. Cofactor of second row elements. Cofactors of elements of the second row. Second row means what? This row. Second row element we have to find out. Second row element we have to find out. This is the second row. Second row, this place is what? 8 to 1 space. That is 8 to 1. Place is nothing but small 8 to 1 place. 8 to 1, 8 to 2, 8 to 3. What is our job? First our job is to find cofactor. While finding the cofactor, first what is our job? Our job is to find cofactor. Before that we have to find the minor, or immediately you can easily find out the value of the cofactor. Then cofactor of A to 1 is equal to, what is the place? Plus minus, correct? This row element we have to eliminate. Cofactor of 2, or you write it as cofactor of 2. Better you write cofactor of 2, it is equal to A to 1. Position is plus minus. What are the elements? Elements are nothing but this we have to eliminate. Correct? 3 8 2 3. 3 8 2 3, which is nothing but minus 9 minus 16. 9 3 into 3 is 9. 9 minus 16, which is equal to minus 9 into 7, it is minus 7, which is equal to plus 7. 9 plus 7 becomes 16. Minus 7, minus of minus plus 7. Cofactor of 0, A to 2, which is nothing but minus plus. What are the elements? You have to eliminate this row, means this row and this column. Correct? We have to eliminate. Correct? For the 8 to 12. What are the remaining? 5 8 1 3. 5 8 1 3. What are the elements? 15 minus 8, which is equal to 7. Correct? After completion of this, you must take some other value. I take it as this value I find out. That is cofactor of 1, which is equal to A to 3. Cofactor which is the A to 3. The position is plus minus. What are the elements? This row cancelled out. This row 5 3 1 2. 5 3 1 2. What are the elements? Minus 10 minus 3, which is equal to 7. That is minus 7. 5 into 2, 10, 10 minus 3, 10 minus 3 becomes minus 7, 8 to 3. Next is, now delta is equal to, correct? Now delta is equal to what? Our job is to find cofactor of elements of second row. Therefore, delta is equal to small a21 into capital A21 plus small a22 into capital A22 plus small a23 into capital A23, small a23 into capital A23. Then what are the values? Small a21 is nothing but that is 2 into small a21. The students, look at the values. Small a21, small a22, small a23. 2 into capital A21 is what? That is 7 plus small a22. Small a22 is nothing but that is 0 element, 0 into capital A22, which is nothing but 7 plus small a23. Small a23 is nothing but what? 1 into capital A23 is nothing but what? Minus 7. What are the values? 14 minus 0 minus 7. 14 minus 7 becomes what? 7. Then delta is equal to 7. Delta is equal to 7 is the determinant of the elements of the second row, what they are given, which is nothing but second one element. Next we will take one of the important question. I will write the question first, then we take the solution with the help of this result. Example, using cofactors of elements of third column, evaluate delta is equals to 111 xyz yz zx xy. Third column evaluate. Third column we have to evaluate. What is the third column? Third column is nothing but this yz zx xy place. Solution: cofactor of yz, which is nothing but the place is small a, capital A13. What are the positive value? That is plus 1 by 1z, which is nothing but z minus y. A1 by z, 1 by 1z, z minus y. Cofactor of third column means cofactor of zx is nothing but A21, A22, A23. Therefore, capital A23, which is nothing but what? Plus minus. This value becomes this row and this column. What are this column? Okay, correct. This row zx, this row and this column. What are the element? 1x, 1z. 1x, 1z, which is nothing but minus z minus x, which is same as x minus z. Minus z, minus or minus is plus x. After that, cofactor of xy, which is equal to a33, a21, a13, a23, a31, or a33, sorry, a33. A33 is nothing but plus minus plus. Position is 1x, 1y, 1x, 1y, which is nothing but y minus x. Now delta is equal to small a13 into capital A13 plus small a13 small a23 into capital A23 plus small a33 into capital A33 then which is nothing but what is the value of a13? A13 is nothing but yz into z minus y. A13 is nothing but z minus y plus A23 is nothing but what? A23 is nothing but zx, small zx into capital A23 is nothing but x minus z plus A33 is nothing but xy plus xy into A33 is nothing but y minus x, which is nothing but what are the values? Y into z square minus y square. After that plus z into x square minus z square x minus z into z square x plus x y square minus x square y minus x into x square y, which is the value of delta, which implies delta is equal to you take x square x y z common, take x square x and y z in common, then we have what happens? Delta is equal to x square, you take it as common. I write first zx square minus x square y first. After that x value we have to reshuffle, that is plus xy square minus z square x. After that yz, correct, yz square plus yz square, correct. How many terms? Count it once again. Minus yz square minus y square, correct. How many terms? 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, which is the delta. Here x square you take as common, z minus y. Here x you take as common plus x into y square minus z square plus y you take as common z square y square z here y square z. Then what happens? Yz you take as common. Here there will be yz common. Then what happens? Yz square minus y, correct? Z minus y. Are you agree or not? Yz square, that is yz square, y square zx square minus z square x, xy square minus x square y, then zx square common, zx square minus x square y, x y square minus z square x plus yz square y square z. Here y square z to take it a correction, y square z, here y square z. Then delta is equal to z square z minus y common, you write it as x square z minus y plus yz z minus y plus x into, what is this value? You write it as y plus z into y minus z. Y plus z into y minus z. Then if you take delta is equal to, in all the terms, which one is common? Z minus y is there, here z minus y, here there will be y minus z. Then automatically what happens? X square y minus z immediately y minus z, correct? Or you write it as z minus y delta x square z minus y plus yz z minus y plus x here y plus z, here you write it as minus z minus y, minus you take it as common. Then immediately what happens, the value of y in the positive section then it becomes negative. Take this side. Delta is equal to x square z minus y plus yz z minus y minus x into y plus z into y minus z minus y, z minus y, y plus z into z minus y. Then in the all section, which one is common? Z minus y is taken as common. X square plus yz minus x into y plus z, which is nothing but what? Delta is equal to z minus y x square plus yz minus xy minus xz, which implies delta is equal to z minus y, here x square minus xy y minus x, you take xy here, after that plus yz minus xz, which implies z minus y x into x minus y, here x into x square x minus y plus z common y minus x after that I will write delta is equal to z minus y, here out of 2 which one is common? X minus y, here y minus x, better to write x into x minus y plus z into minus x minus y, minus if you take it as common. Delta is equal to z minus y out of 2 x into x minus y minus z into x minus y. Delta is equal to z minus y x minus y x minus z. Delta is equal to x minus y z minus y x minus z, which is same as delta is equal to x minus y y minus z minus x. How it is happens? Because of if you take minus common, then it becomes y minus z. Here minus common, z minus x. Minus of minus becomes plus. This is the value, last final value, which is related to your NCERT example NCERT exercise answer. In the today's class, we had discussed some of the values which are nothing but find the cofactor and minor of different types of examples. In the next class, we will take one of the important definition that is adjoint of a square matrix. Thank you.